Welcome to Maths Made Easy. Today we are going to see a very interesting question featuring basic mathematics. So let's get started. Okay, very first thing that we are going to keep in mind that this is a very simple question. Only with roots. We don't have to get panicked with roots. What we can do is just draw a line and put here 1, and then we will be using our basic elementary school tactics, a upon b minus c upon d. In that case we were doing cross multiplication, a d minus bc upon bd. So here is 1 and here is root 2 plus root 3 plus root 6. In that case we are going to send this over this side and this over this side, and then 1 times of this. So here we are. Five root 3, 7 root 2 minus root 6, and this bracket over here, minus 23 upon 1 times 2 root 3 root 6. Now I am going to do this multiplication very carefully. 5 root 3 times root 2. This is going to give me 5 root of 6. 5 root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So I have 15 over here. 5 root 3 times root of 6. 5 root 3 times root 6 is equal to root of 18. So this is 5 root of 18. 7 root 2 times root 2. Root 2 will become 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 7 root 2 times root 3. 7 root of 6. 7 root 2 plus 7 root 2 times root 6. 7 root of 12. Minus root 6 root 2. Minus root of 12. Minus root 6 root of 3. Minus root of 18. Minus root 6 root 6. Minus of 6 and 23 as it is. I hope you understand this one. Now we'll see that in here. I have just typed everything what I did right that before. Now from here you can see that plus 15 plus 14 29, minus 6 and minus 23 29 will cancel each other in future. 5 root 6, 7 root 6, 12 root of 6. 5 root 18 minus root of 18. So become plus 4 root of 18. 7 root 6. Okay, that's done. 7 root 6 and root 5 is done here. 7 root 6, 5 root 6. 7 root of 12 and root of 12. 6 root of 12, because this is plus 7 and minus 1. Here we are, 12 root 6, 29, 4 root 18, 6 root 12. Now this 29 and minus 29 will cancel each other. Now further, if you see this carefully, what we can do is, for 18, I can write 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. For 12, I can write 4 times 3. That is also 12. I am just trying to break the roots, so that none of the perfect square stays in the root. Like 9 is a perfect square, I don't want it to stay in root. Similarly over here, 4 is a perfect square, so we will try to take this out of root. So when 9 under root 9 is out of root, it is 3. When root of 4 is out of root, it is 2. So this 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 6 is also 12. what I have here is, from here 12 root 2, because 9 is out, so 3 4s are 12, 4 is out, 2 6 are 12, 12 root 3, and then 12 root 6 as it is. I will take 12 common out of this bracket and see and see. So now we have root 2, root 3, root 6 in numerator and denominator, that is going to cancel each other, and so our answer is 12. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in next one. Thank you very much.